What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's your boy Trader Nas here, and today I'm back again with a new video. Click for the bell icon so as you can get my notification video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Guys, I love you all, and I'm back. So let's just share some tips. What's happened in the last weeks? Let's just do a review about what's happened in the stocks markets. Just always like to trade S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So today we're gonna cover about what's happened on Nasdaq quickly. Let's just look what's happened on Nasdaq. Before wasting your time, let's just look up for the DXY dollar performance index. What's happened on the DXY dollars, guys? So for those who watched my video, I was uploading this one that this was the CPI days, guys, that happened. Sorry. Sorry, guys. So let's just back in. That was we are in a bullish on the DXY, I mean the dollar index. That we got careful, and currently we are focusing with this region here that you see right now, and this scenario has been accumulating for the couple of days before that day for the CPI that I see here. So I was expecting that CPI to comes out as a better than expected, and we saw that price will drop down quickly and it boomed up. So after that, a massively bullish candlestick that I see here, this gives us an indicator that price is gonna go higher. This one that bring out this one, it gives us an indicator that price is gonna boom up more. So guys, market went up quickly, and now it's just a countdown to fill that imbalanced area, as you see here. As you see here, market is like the filling this imbalanced area. As I always say, that we are always looking for the two side, area of imbalance and area of inefficiency, guys. And now currently price is just feeling about maybe 70% of that imbalanced area, and if this price could drop to this low, that fine, but I'm currently focusing with this one. So forget about that accumulation that we have on the DXY, but I'm expecting that bullish one to this zone here. So guys, let me just back on the Nasdaq. What's happening on Nasdaq? Sorry guys, this is a 4-hour time frame chart that I see here for 4-hour time frame, and look at careful. So price has been dropping for the last 2 weeks, drop and then accumulated drop. So the things comes out. This is the CPI, the candlestick that I see. That was CPI, and that was the Monday price it dropped. Always I say that sometimes market tends to open at the first move on Monday. It's just a first move, and the next day it will be an actual move, and the third day it will be an actual move. So guys, our markets it open like this one, accumulating, and then manipulation like this one to the upside. So a lot of people think that market is gonna boom that. Guys, you have to understand that we were in overbought, guys. So at any time I was expecting that price to drop. Look at careful, starting from this point here, starting from this point, I was looking for the I was looking for the bearish momentum. Why? Because when you look at this Nasdaq on the weekly time frame, you will understand that we have breaking the key levels. That was the highest price for this price without it touching it. So probably market is just looking for this price has already found the big figure numbers, and look at that the highest, and currently as I said, we can expect that price to drop and still act as support. So guys, look at that and fill the area, look at this one and fill the area, and look at this one and fill the area. So guys, so that are the days, and market is dropping quickly. Let me just shift this into 1 hour. This 4 hour will be switchable. So market it dropped quickly. So for those who watching my shorter video, I was about this at this region till to this down here. So I was marking that my zone like this one. I know that everyone marked this as a supply area. After that, massive drop. So I was exciting like this one, guys. So guys, this was like this one. You make this candlestick here. Forget about that, everything that happened. It's just about this one. I'm focusing on this one. So it was Monday and this was a Tuesday. Price drop quickly, followed by CPI news that you see here. Let me just show you on the 1 hour. So that was a Tuesday. So this was Monday. That was the accumulation, manipulation, and then this is the distribution. So followed by this day was a Tuesday. We had a CPI news. We had a CPI and market drop. So I was like, this could be as its hand. You know, that's always when price moves. It's just finding the area of support or resistance or any turning point that can make price to turn back there. So I was like, whoa, let me just waiting. But I know that after this market to drop, price is gonna move up, maybe to fill this CPI candlestick that I see here, and maybe to fill that these gaps that are price left, or to fill this one. So I was like, after marking that and as I can say that's a right area, but based on what I trading, it's just like the area that price left quickly is gonna turn back and tap that. So guys, after that, CPI news price stayed like this one, get that liquidity like this one, get that liquidity like this one, and then market liquidate that this one, and they said that, wow, I'm gonna buy it. So I just mark this one like this one. After this candle being filled, I was feeling this candle and then market dropped. So I said that this will be another entry and my target will be at this one here. And as you see, price went well from this one here till to this one and hit it. So guys, after the first touch of this, I didn't take anything short. Why? Because in order for this price to be short, they were supposed to do manipulate the kind of liquidity that I see here. So I was waiting first. And then at the first touch I didn't take anything, and I was waiting. Let me just show you on the 50-minute time frame. You'll understand what I'm saying. You see, look at this. That was the first touch. This one here, that was the first touch that I see here. Sorry, that was the first touch that I see. And I said I don't wanna short it here. I'm waiting to see the liquidity, and then price comes up and do the liquidity. So after do that liquidity, price bounce up. Why? Let me just shift into 1 hour time frame so you can understand. Look at why this price bounced in here. I was marked this one like this one. It's just a kind of resistance here. See this candlestick this week here. Look at this week. That's this one. So price bounce back here. I know that I'm in a bullish. So after seeing that this region has already worked, and I think that this area has nothing to do more. So currently I will be focusing with another area that can make this price bounce back. So that was another position I entered here. So let me just remove this, because at this first touch and the second touch of liquidity, price dropped it to this zone, and I said that this area has nothing to hold on, it's already worked. So let me just remove it. And then I was focusing with this fair value, but on the 4 hour time frame, it's just kind of an order block the price left. So that was the 1 hour fair value here. So I was focusing with this one, the break that I will short like this one. So So guys, what I can say, you have to understand two three things on or when you are trading this fair value. Fair value, sometimes if the fair value can hold the price and the reversal, it will act as a fair value. But if the fair value failed to hold the price, it will act as what I can say, inversion. It will act as an inversion. The inversion means that fair value fail to hold the price, and price to break that fair value and turn and bounce back to that fair value and shift back. So guys, I was waiting for that fair value, and I said that guys, let me waiting before doing anything. After waiting, that price boomed up very well, and price started up very well. You see that price started up very well, very well. That was a good and suitable entry after this one. So as I said that guys, I entered again here till to this zone here, and I'm out. So if the fair value acts as a resistance, that's fine. But if this price could entered here, it's entered to the 50%, that is a construction increment 60% of their fair value, or it could be traded below this fair value and then drop like this. So I was respected this area. So guys, in order for this market to change, it were supposed to break this zone here. In order for this market to change, it were supposed to break this zone and go up, or to do like liquidity and drop down, and just like that one. So guys, after hitting that might take a profit, I said that it's Friday. We had that news, guys. We had the news. Remember that we had a CPI here, and price will fit that range very well. That range has been fit very well. That was always say that price is looking for inefficient area and liquidity area, nothing more. So price already feel that inefficient area. So what are we looking for? It's just a liquidity area. The liquidity is going to be above previous high or previous low. So we have to understand that this is a previous daily low. That is a Tuesday or Thursday low, Tuesday low, Thursday low, and last week low, guys. So price is just turn back. Why is this price turn back, bounce back here? So price drop it quickly, guys. I'm always saying that if you see that price it drop it quickly without doing a pullback, something said, oh, I don't want to jump the move. I'm always waiting for the pullback because it's just a nice one for me. So let me just show you something on 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame, guys, and look at this. Why this price pullback? Because there are two things. We had this one fair value here, 4-hour fair value. For those who show that drop, I know that they will mark that fair value very well, like this one, because this price closed here and this one opened here, went up, touched that fair value and started dropping like this one, guys. And also forget about that one, we have an inversion here. That's why price keeps dropping. This is an inversion, guys. Let me just put this like this dot line, and let me just put this one. This is the inversion on 4-hour time frame. That is the inversion. So we have a fair value where we have inversion like this one. So that market, that's why bounce back here and then keep dropping. So guys, that was a nice move. Shift into 1-hour time frame. Look, that was a sweet up one. That was a sweet up pullback. That was a nicely. That was a very nice, guys. That was very nice, guys. Like this one. So inversion plus fair value, 4-hour fair value, 4-hour inversion, price stand back well. And let me just show you this one. Let me just show you this one. So breakout of this one gives us an indicator that price is gonna keep dropping. It's gonna keep dropping, guys. It's gonna keep dropping like this one. The break of this one and pull back. If you take your Fibonacci from this one to this one, that is fine. You are right. So what's the target for this price? That would remember that this is an equal low. That is an equal low. That price is taking. That is an equal low. That is an equal low, guys. And again, here we have an inversion on a 1 hour time frame. We have an inversion like this one. Let me just mark this one. If price is gonna tend to back here, it's gonna be nicely. So prefer to hold this on here for those who see that liquidity, there's no liquidity, and then price is just gonna keep falling. Let me just shift it into 4 hours time frame and looking what I'm currently focusing for. I can extend this on like this one. I need this industry. See, so currently I'm focusing with this candlestick with this region, and why? Because that price is supposed to touch this zone again. So let's just guess, what if price touch this zone? Can this price touch this zone and went and goes up, or can touch this zone, pull back and keep dropping? Remember, this is just the 1 hour fair value, guys. And then let me just shift it into the 30-minute time frame. So that price has an equal, that is an equal imbalance. So if the price can hold, look at this an imbalance area, guys, and for 1 hour inversion. So guys, price can touch this zone like this one, can touch this zone like this one, and pull back like this one. You see, what if price go like this and then keep dropping? This is so low. This can happen, guys, because you see that when you look at careful this region, price that this as the first time, and we are looking for the second time. But this second time, if we act as a strong one, it's gonna push price back up. But if this the touch of the second time will be weak, so we can anticipate for this down low here, guys. We have a lot of reason that we're in a bearish scenario, small one, but in a major up, in a higher time frame, in a bigger picture, we're in a bullish market, guys. So don't be confused, guys. Anything can happen like this. That's fine, and change that fine. I'm not on a market advice, but I trade as price just wanna give me what price tell me is that what I'm trading, guys. So let's just keep hearing into 5 minute time frame, guys. You see just like this one also erecting to hold this. So probably price can push back up and dropping. So guys, I don't want to waste your time. That is an equal low. The price is looking, that is an equal low. That was a Friday low. I know that price is supposed to do the liquidity, so it can touch it. So no, went up. But I'm looking for short, guys. We have NVDA Earning this week. That the next week that comes. So you have to be careful. If the estimated per share or what you're expecting is better than expected, we can see a massive bullish on the S&P 500 markets or on Nasdaq. But if it just comes out as lower than expected, then you're gonna short it. You know that the NVDA is the top performance. It's the first one. It's the first one technology company that's doing well. That is doing well, guys. That is the NVDA, followed by Microsoft. There's a Microsoft. Yes, this is a Microsoft. Okay, that is a Microsoft do well at this first quote. That was a nice, guys. So we are supposed to be very careful, and currently let's just focusing with this scenario, and we have this one, and also we have this breaker here. That's fine. We have inversion. We have a lot of things that can make the price to pull back and drop it. But if it's gonna reverse up, that's fine, guys. So I'm not on you want financial market advice, guys. Look at, that's why I'm saying that I'm looking for this price. If it's just gonna touch up and go back or to turn comes down and feel that, that's fine. One of that, we have a lot of unfilled area. Look at this area. That doesn't fill the area and unfilled area. But let's trade what price gives us and don't trade what you are anticipated. Never repeat the mistake that you are making, guys. Follow the dots, everything is gonna be easy, everything is gonna be okay, guys. So I'm trader Nas here, and I'm the one who like to see you get a lot of profit. I'm the one who wanna see who like to see you get going, guys. So click first bell icon so as you can get my notification video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. We have a lot of things to do, guys. That is situation that market have. So guys, what I can say, well, the potential movement, let me just show you the last things before ending. Look at this correction here. Let me just show you. Look at this correction, and then price boomed up like this one, and then dropping, and then boomed up like this one, and then correction, and then boomed up like this one. So let's just compare one things, guys. Let me just show you one things. Let me just show you one thing. So was this one in that's not? Let me just put that. So you see, and then price was pulled back, and let me just take this one till to this one, you see, and then let me just take another one. Look at this, the second one. It's were supposed to be like this one, you see, it's were supposed to be like this one, but market fell to push that price where, and then it's just like a pullback. Damn, guys. So that's why I marked this target. I was expecting that price to reach at this zone, because look out for this impulse. So that is the impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So I was expecting this one to be another impulse. After that correction, I was expecting this one to be another impulsive move. So guys, what if, let me just show you, what if this other correction, then impulse correction, and this impulse, what if this market can turn at this zone here? That could be sweet, or it's gonna trading low more about this one here, about this. If price can drop it to this, that's fine. It's gonna touch this zone here, that's fine, who knows. And but if this price failed to create another new high, it gives us a good indicator that price is in a bearish market. We can continue to short it till to this target, low. That's fine, guys. And let me just remove this, guys. Let's remove this, and I'm signing out. I'm Trader Nas here. I love you all, and I really appreciate you guys. I love